Type in ldp.exe. So once you have the ldp.exe, it will open this window. Try connect, type in localhost. The port will be default will be 389 for LDAP. Connect. So you can see CN equal to configuration, DC equal to PMS, DC equal to local, and go to bind with credentials. Checking the user. I'm typing in my username and password and my domain, that is which I created, pms.local. Okay, so it's showing us authenticated as pms/freelog. That means LDAP also is working. From both sides. And type in DC equal to PMS, DC equal to local. And change the filter to the star. Change it to user, that's subject class, and change it to subtree and click on run. Same way also you can see it retain the value cn equal to Srilal, cn equal to user, d is equal to vm, d is equal to local. If you click on one level just to check, it won't work. That one what is appearing right now is the previous one. It's showing us 0 entries. If you click on base and if you click in one level, it will be the result will be the same. Zero entries when I'm checking with the one level. So if you're checking subtree, you'll get the result.